Hey, Coach, can I say something?
Yes, go ahead, partner.
So I started February or so. I sent Mitch a message yesterday. I ranch and I farm a little, so springtime's really busy. So,
Yeah,
but I bought into everything that you have had, and
appreciate you.
I've invested in myself. I mean, I got the lifetime, I got the VIP, I signed up for classes.
Yeah,
If anybody's sitting on the fence wondering whether they should spend money, you have to invest in yourself. It's incredible in the last couple of weeks, the confidence that I have had in trading. And anyway, I just wanted to give it a little 2 cents there that people really just got to step up and invest in yourself. You will not regret it.
appreciate you, man. I know I always feel like I'm hard selling, but I'm really just trying to get people in here to help them. It's just a different thing, and I appreciate you. That's awesome. Jimmy's a farmer too. Did pretty decent in here. So I like you
Yep.
farmers. You guys are rocking it out.
Well, we're not afraid to, I mean, between land and cattle, it's ridiculous how much money a person invests.
Yes.
And so when you're talking two, three, $4,000 to invest in yourself and
Yeah, for a
learning from
lifetime.
you,
Right.
it's nothing, absolutely nothing.
Appreciate you, man. That's what I
I
try to say too, is it's a lifetime skill, right?
Absolutely. And the thing is, people got to sharpen your axes. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of people in here that know way more than I probably ever will about trading, but you just got to sharpen your axe and pay attention. And you got two ears and one mouth, and you got to use them accordingly. And just open up your ears and open up your mind and listen to this guy. It's crazy.
Appreciate you, man. Appreciate it.